Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. So let's head over now to YouTube. So actually there's a lot of reasons on why YouTube is not showing the comment section. The first reason is because maybe the channel has turned off the comment section for that specific video. The second reason is maybe because that video is tagged as just for kids. I have here a sample of a video tagged as just for kids, and as you can see here, the comments are turned off. If the video is tagged for kids, then that means that YouTube will automatically turn off the comment section, so you will not be able to comment. The third reason on why you can see the comment section is because maybe the channel has enabled the comment section, but it needs manual verification if that comment will go through to the channel. So for example, you commented something with a link or something inappropriate. When that happens, then the channel will need to manually review it in order to show it on the comment section of their video. So if those methods aren't what you're looking for, you can head over to this profile icon in here in YouTube, click that, and as you can see here, the settings, click on settings, and you can see here the general, click that and scroll down until you can see the restricted mode. Maybe because the restricted mode is on. If that is on, then it will not show you some explicit contents and probably turn off the comments, so it will also hide the comments if it is on. Sometimes restricted mode just turn on by itself without any of us doing anything. So if that still doesn't resolve your issue, you just need to head over to your home, head over to settings, and you can see here general. Click on general, and once you're there, you just need to head over to iPhone storage. You can see here all the apps that you have on your iPhone. Search for YouTube and click on that, and click this offload app. After clicking that, your iPhone will offload YouTube, which will basically mean that it will get rid of any corrupted file that has been incorporated to the app. After that, click on reinstall app and wait for it to reinstall. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.